Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Mash Artist Makeup, and today we will do a where to apply highlighter, two different versions of highlighter using a cream and a powder. First, we will start with our cream. We are going to use So Susan in this tutorial and the color Pop Star. This is just a nice illuminating cream, and I am applying it right on top of my foundation, my liquid foundation that is, onto the high points of the cheek, the nose, and then I will also put a little bit on my Cupid's bow, and that is the peaks above each lip. And after I get a good coat, I will use my beauty blender and blend that in so that it is nicely contouring into the high parts of my face and blending into the other foundation, but still showing lots of shine. Next, I will be adding some translucent powder. This is going to help from any creasings. I like to use this after I apply the highlighter to kind of tone down any spots that might need not as much highlighting. And then, of course, I like to do my smile lines, and I also do my forehead a little bit because I do get a little bit of lines there and they look like wrinkles if I don't bake them in time. Next, I will just use a clean, fluffy brush, knock off that extra translucent powder, slide into my Studio Fix NC25, put that on a clean brush, and just put that all over the face, on top of that cream highlighter and translucent powder. This is just going to give a beautiful subtle glow, and you can stop right here or you can continue to your powder highlighter, and I will show you how you use that. This one I am using the shade C Shimmer with the BMX 265 Glow. I've mentioned this in other videos. This is my absolute favorite highlighting brush. And when you highlight, you want to hold it very loose. This is just going to make a really nice smooth glow and a smooth application when you are really light with the fingers. Go onto the top of the cheekbones for a super smoothie style silky finish. Go over those cheekbones, round it up into the forehead to kind of create that natural peak. Again, on the other side, go through very lightly with the brush. I don't know if you can see this, but it's barely touching the skin, allowing a silky, blendable finish. And then I'm going to do the tops of my nose, focusing at the bottom corner and bringing it up, but never too much on there, and then a little peak onto my Cupid's bow as well. And I like to do the top of my lip and my chin to kind of just create that perfect glow all over. And I am going to show you how you can use a smaller eyeshadow brush on your highlighter and apply it underneath that eyebrow, right where the brow bone, to kind of really bring that out. A brow bone is a beautiful thing to accentuate. It makes the eye look more awake. It makes the forehead look smaller and just kind of gives more of an exotic look. Just that glowy, dewy finish. And you can also use this in the corner of your eyes. I like to pop a little highlighter on to continue that glow and just to really cause attraction to my eyes. Again, being a feature I like to show off. So don't forget, you can double that highlighter as a finishing or an eyeshadow. And then use a clean brush just to really go in and blend everything in. Nothing too much. Finish with some gloss. This one is a LA Girl gloss. Very, very, very dewy, absolutely no color, but very fun to use for a clean look. And then you have it. Here's your highlighted areas, showing those all off just to see how they glow in the finished light. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the link below. and I will be back with a new video next week. Thank you.